All right, boys, what's up? Today, I will be showing you how to get a refund on Steam for those horribly bad games. First of all, you need to ensure that you haven't played the game for more than 2 hours. If you have, your refund will not be eligible. Also, you must not have owned the game for more than 2 weeks. So, less than 2 hours of gameplay and owning the game for less than 2 weeks is a surefire way to get a refund. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Open Steam. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, you should see Steam. Click on that and go to Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Account. It might be labeled differently depending on your setup, but go to Account. Click View Purchase History in the top right. Click on the game you want to refund. Let's say I wanted to refund Counter-Strike Go. I bought it over 2 weeks ago, so it won't work, but I'll apply for it just to show you how it works. Click on I would like a refund. Choose your reason. I'm not able, as I can't refund. But you don't have to write a lot. You can just simply write that the game is not fun, and then you can just submit your request. After submitting, your request will be reviewed within 2 to 6 hours, and you should receive an email. Then, come back to Steam, and you should see at the top wallet how much money you paid for the game, and it will say it's pending. Usually, refunds take up to 24 hours, but are typically quicker processed in. After that time, the money will be in your Steam wallet. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helps you, please share it with a friend, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks.